Hey guys, Drew Williams coming to you live from Bell Camper Sales once again. Today we're going to show you a small product that we sell a lot of, one of our most popular lines. This is the 2020 Venture Sonic, and it is the 220 VRB. It's a real small trailer. We're only going to do 2 takes, but I'm going to go through and show you all the cool stuff and add-ons and how premium this trailer is for its size. As always, this is a 360 video, so up in the corner there you can move around as I go, zoom in and go up and down, and just follow me around the trailer here. So I'm in the bedroom slash kitchen slash living room area, so I'm going to start back here. As here you see, it is a couch that faces the TV that comes mounted in this Sonic. Whenever you're watching TV, it gives you a lot of walkway room space here. When it comes time to sleep, you just simply fold this bad boy down. Got your mattress folded down. Bam, you're ready to sleep. Thus, not giving you as much room, but that's why you can fold it up. Real easy to fold back up. It's got the new popular tri-fold mattress. Put it in there. That goes there. And this guy goes right here. Put the couch back up. And you're ready to watch TV again. As you can see on both sides, there is storage. You got cabinets right here. These are already open cabinets here. LED one-bunch touch lights. There is GFI outlets on the side over here too, for whatever you might need those purposes for. Huge dinette table. Love this dinette table. Good card playing table here. This also does fold into a bed if you need the extra room. You do have storage down here. Across from that is your kitchen. It does have the full residential size sink. Nice looking faucet there. You do have your secret storage compartment here. That does have all your switches, your runs your awning, slide in and out, an extra USB and a GFI outlet. Have your storage with the glass up here. Three stove burner top Furrion oven. Mounted convention microwave. And you still got the 8 cubic size fridge in here. Little pantry storage down there. Right behind me here, we have the TV and your DVD player surround sound. You do have the surround sound outside too also. TV comes mounted with this trailer. Some little storage down here. Now I'm going to take you guys inside and show you this bathroom. Alright guys, here we are now live in the bathroom. As you can see, what I love about this 220's bathroom, a lot of storage for how short the trailer is. You guys, again, 360 video, you can zoom in there. Clothes rack, a lot of room, both doors open completely, go all the way back. So that's a real upgrade in this bathroom here. Also, we got the sliding door showers here, your toilet, and right behind you there, you got the sink and the mirror with a little bit of shelving there with your GFI outlet, and also your tank levels and water heater and water pump switches in there. All right, guys, that's it. This is the Sonic 220 VRB. Again, come down and see me if you're interested. We'll make you a heck of a deal. I'm Drew Williams, where we'll get you camping.